So Jackboy was out here working on the field with these kids at Hobe Sound, Florida, as he pulled up on a football team to practice with them and speak to them. One of the kids playfully snatched his chain, though, after Jack let another kid wear it. He thought it cost $5 million.
Boy, got me want to put on some soda pad.
You got an easy round, Jones. Remember that. What's up, Coach Jordan?
Oh!
Hey, Kaden. Yo,
Great on that money.
You good?
Yeah, I gave some to his wife, and she told the kids, "You ain't getting none."
You ain't getting none.
He didn't get none either.
Oh, we're trying to get that.
Get in last? No.
Oh, I'm in the play.
Blow the whistle, Joe. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Hey, line that up again. Hey, Dickin. Line it up again. Dickin. Hey.
Yo, Chris, you tough. Oh, no.
Hey,
Tyree.
Tyree.
You know how much this costs?
$5 million.
Play too much.
Jack, I got it.
It's all right.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.